Hello friends, in today's lecture we'll start Kirchhoff's laws. Here Kirchhoff's is a name of a scientist and the laws derived or invented by him are Kirchhoff's law. So there are two Kirchhoff's law, Kirchhoff's voltage law KVL short form and Kirchhoff's current law KCL. Okay, now before learning these two laws there are few terminology which we need to understand. Okay, what is terminology? First is what is active element. Active elements are element in circuit which provides actual energy, which supplies electrical energy to the circuit. So if you have a particular circuit, I will draw one circuit here, voltage, current. Hmm, this is the one particular circuit. Then if this is V1, V2 are even if a current source, then V1 and V2 are active element. Okay, these are active element which are providing actual energy. Next is a passive element. Passive elements are elements which consumes energy. Okay, so in circuit if this is R1, R2, R3, then R1, R2, R3, these are passive elements because they consumes energy which is given by active element. Next term is a node. Okay, so node is a equipotential surface at which two or more circuit elements are joined. So this is one node. If A, this is B another node, this is C another node, this is D which is another node. Okay, here there is no any particular element present in between here also, so we can't call this and this as a node. Okay, I can directly connect this over here also and this over here also. Okay, so this is one node. These fours are node. Okay, these four particular points are node. Then junction, try to understand the difference. Now in throughout the BW we are going to utilize these terms. Junction, what is junction? Junction is a point in a network where three or more circuit elements are joined. So if this is a junction, no, I said junction is a point where more three or more circuit elements are joined. This is not junction, this is not junction, this can be a junction. Are you getting? This is also junction. So B and T are junction. Every junction is node, but every node is not a junction. Okay, next is a branch. Branch means any particular line. Okay, AB is a branch, BC is a branch, BD is a branch, CD is a branch. Okay, part of a network lying between two junction, दोन junction चा मतलब part. Next is a loop is any closed path in a circuit. Now try to understand carefully. A B D, here I call it as a P and Q. A B D P, this is a loop. B C Q D, this is also loop. Okay, at the same time A B C Q D A, this outer is also a loop. Okay, so any closed path is a loop. Any closed path. What is mesh? This is very important. Mesh is a most elementary form of loop and it cannot further divide it into other loops. It is the shortest loop. Means A B D P is a mesh. B C Q D is a mesh. But A B C Q D P, this is not a mesh because mesh cannot be further divided into another mesh or loop. Okay, it is the shortest path. So this is one mesh, this is another mesh. This whole is a loop, not mesh. Okay, in oral examination, this difference is generally asked. What is the difference between mesh and loop? Okay, so these are some basics which we have understood. Now let's start with the KVL. Kirchhoff's voltage law. Now what KVL states? KVL states that The algebraic sum of all the electromotive forces or voltage drop is always zero in any closed path. In any closed path, algebraic sum of voltages is 0. Okay, so if this is a closed path, and if you goes on adding the voltages, this is voltage, here also there will be some drop, here also there will be some drop. So if you add all these voltages, then its addition will be 0. How to add it? Let's see. There is some sign convention. Sign convention means how to consider a sign. Now if there is a voltage source like this, always remember, if you are moving like this, so here there is a higher potential, here there is a lower potential, so we are moving from higher to lower potential, so we have to consider is a minus V. Okay, if you are moving like this direction from lower potential to higher potential, this plus is minus, no? So if you are moving from lower to higher, then it is plus V. Similarly, if there is a resistance like this, and if you are moving like this, so it means here is higher potential, here is a lower potential, right? No, म्हणजे इथे जर 10 व्होल्ट असेल तर इथे काहीतरी ड्रॉप होईल ना, 1 किंवा 2 व्होल्ट, समजा 2 व्होल्ट झाला तर इकडे 8 व्होल्ट जाईल. कळतं ना? ड्रॉप किती होतो, तो बाय ओहम्स लॉ व्ही इक्वल टू आय आर. ह्यात करंट किती आहे इंटू ह्या रेजिस्टन्सची व्हॅल्यू, एवढा ड्रॉप इथे होणार आहे. आलं लक्षात ना? मग ड्रॉप इथे होणार म्हणजे इथे जास्त व्होल्टेज असेल, इकडे कमी आहे, हायरकडून लोअरकडे चाललाय, म्हणून मायनस आय वन आर वन व्ही इक्वल टू मायनस आय वन आर वन. पण समजा तुम्ही अपोजिट चाललाय, डिरेक्शन असं आहे, पण तुम्ही अपोजिट लूप लावताय, लूप तुम्ही मेश लावताय, तर मग अशा कंडिशनला प्लस आय वन आर वन. Are you getting? These are some sign conventions which you will be using. Then now tell me, if you are applying KVL in this loop, KVL हा लूप मध्ये अप्लाय केला जातो, KCL हा नोडला अप्लाय करतो. विल सी KCL लॅटर. आता ह्या लूप मध्ये जर तुम्ही KVL अप्लाय करताय म्हणजे काय, तर ऑल द अल्जेब्रिक सम ऑफ ऑल द व्होल्टेजेस इन दिस लूप शुड बी 0. ओके, देन स्टार्ट्स. इफ आय कन्सिडर डिरेक्शन लाईक दिस, वी हॅव टू कन्सिडर डिरेक्शन ऑफ करंट. करंट कसा मूव्ह होतोय आपल्याला माहित नाहीये, मग आपण तो कन्सिडर करायचा क्लॉकवाईज और अँटी क्लॉकवाईज, कसाही घ्या. जरी अँटी क्लॉकवाईज घेतलं तर तुमचा आन्सर क्लॉकवाईज वाल्यांसोबतच येणार, फक्त डिरेक्शन उलट असल्यामुळे मायनस साईन येईल. ओके, पण ते चुकीचं नाहीये. इन एक्झाम यू कॅन कन्सिडर एनी डिरेक्शन. मी असं घेतलं डिरेक्शन, तर मी लोअर पोटेन्शियल कडून हायर पोटेन्शियल कडे चाललोय ना, लोअर कडून हायर कडे, म्हणजे मला प्लस व्ही घ्यायचा आहे, म्हणजे प्लस व्ही वन. इथे करंट असा आहे, म्हणजे प्लस कडून मायनस कडे चाललाय, म्हणजे मायनस आय वन इंटू आर वन. व्होल्टेज ड्रॉप किती आहे इथे, करंट इंटू रेजिस्टन्स बाय ओहम्सला. इथे मायनस, इथे करंट किती आहे, हा आय वन पण चाललाय. समजा मी इकडचं डिरेक्शन असं घेतलं अँटी क्लॉकवाईज, हा आय टू आहे, हा आय वन आहे, तर ह्या रेजिस्टन्स मधून आय वन प्लस आय टू दोन्ही मिळून चाललेत, म्हणून ड्रॉप किती असेल, तर व्ही इक्वल टू आय आर ना. मग आय किती आहे, आधी आर थ्री लिहितो, आय किती आहे, तर आय वन प्लस आय टू. गेटिंग? व्ही इक्वल टू आय आर. पण फक्त आय वन किंवा फक्त आय टू नाही चाललाय, आय वन प्लस आय टू चाललाय, म्हणून आय वन प्लस आय टू. ओके, दिस इज इक्वल टू 0. This is equal to 0. The algebraic sum of all the voltages in a closed path is a 0. This is the KVL. तर आपण याच्यावरती एखादं एक्झाम्पल वगैरे सॉल्व्ह करूया, मग तुमच्या लक्षात येईल. ओके, एक सिंपल एक्झाम्पल घेऊया आपण. आता आपण बघितलंय वरती सॅम्पल. कन्सिडर दॅट एक्झाम्पल विथ सम व्हॅल्यू 35, 40, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, don't forget, right? Unit ohm, unit of resistance is ohm. voltage is V. Now you have asked to find out the current moving in these two loops. Find out current in this loop, current in this loop. Now first of all, try to understand direction of current is not given. So you can assume any direction. So I will assume like this. Generally, see the voltage, it will move from positive to negative. It is not necessary or mandatory. You can assume opposite also and you will get right answer. Okay. So I assume like this, and another direction I assume like this. Okay. So write down applying KVL in loop. Either you can say it as I1 and I2. So loop 1, loop 2, or you can name A, B, C, D. I will say loop 1. Applying KVL in a loop 1. So what is KVL? Algebraic sum of all the voltages in a loop is 0. So 35 minus I1 into R1. 35 plus, because we are moving from lower to higher potential. I1 R1 minus 2. Current in this resistance is both are moving downward. No, this is also downward, this is also downward. So addition I1 plus I2 equal to 0. Okay. So if we solve it further, here R1 is a 3, no, I have not substituted. So 35 minus 3I1 minus 2I1 minus 2I2 equal to 0. So it will become 3 plus 2, 5I1. Okay, so 35 minus 5I1 minus 2I2 equal to 0. If I take this 2 on this side, so it will become 5I1 plus 2I2 equal to 35. First equation. Okay, now apply KVL in this loop. Direction we assume like this, so we'll move from here like this. Again, we are moving from lower to higher potential. So plus, you can see applying KVL in loop 2. So it will start like this: 4t minus 4I2 minus 2. Now remember, when I'm dealing with this loop, forget about this loop. When I'm dealing with this loop, forget about this loop. But current is to be taken. मायनस टू म्हणजे असं तुम्हाला वाटायला नको की सर मगाच्या लूपमध्ये मी हा टू घेतला होता, पण ते मगाच्या लूपसाठीचं कॅल्क्युलेशन होतं. आता तुम्ही ह्या लूपसाठी कॅल्क्युलेशन करताय ना, ह्या लूपमध्ये येणारे सगळे एलिमेंट घेतले पाहिजे. सो 4t मायनस 4I1 मायनस 2I1 प्लस I2. हे जर करंट डिरेक्शन उलटे उलटे असते तर I2 मायनस I1 घ्यावं लागलं असतं, पण सरळ आहेत 0. So 4t minus 4I2 minus 2I1 minus 2I2 equal to 0. Okay, so it becomes 4t. ह्याला मी तिकडे नेतो, 4 अधिक 2 6, तिकडे प्लस होतील इक्वल टू, किंवा उलट लिहितो मी, 6I1 प्लस 2I2 equal to 4t. Okay, 4t minus 4I2 minus 2 minus minus. Okay, okay. Now solve these two simultaneous equation. I can reduce this. It can become 3I1 if I divide it by 2 plus I2 plus 20. Okay, this is equation 2. Solve this to some. You can solve it on a calculator. Okay, in mathematics you have and you might have learned how to operate the calculator directly. You can solve these two equations. Here I will show in conventional method. 5I1 plus 2I2 equal to 35. Don't waste your time solving like this. Please solve it in a calculator. 3I1 I2 equal to 20. So if I multiply lower equation by 2, it will become 6, 2 and 40. Subtract, cancel. Minus I1 equal to minus 5. So I1 equal to 5 ampere. Right? Now put that I1 in any of the above equation. If I put it over here, it will become 5 into 3, 15. So I2 will be 20 minus 15. So I2 equal to 20 minus 15 equal to 5 only. So I2 is 5 ampere. Both the current answers are positive. It means the directions assumed by us are right. Okay, this is how KVL is applied. Okay, in next lecture we will see how KCL is applied. Now don't get confused if the given circuit it looks complicated. Don't worry. Or it is having three loops. Don't worry. Simply goes on applying KVL. If there are three loops, if there are loops, don't worry. Go on applying KVL in all three loops. You will get three equations. Solve those three equations. You will get the answer. Okay. Thank you.